Are you a business owner or a manager and you own a small or a big work environment? Are you facing technology related problems and difficulties that make you lose time and money? So, looking to hire someone professional, but you don't need him all the time? And one more employee means extra cost. So what? We have the solution. ProiTs annual IT outsourcing and support contracts are specifically designed to suit all of your needs. Professional team, different ways of online and on-site support, wide range of work scopes, and for lesser cost. Now you have your own full IT department. So just relax and let's help you do it.